welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today is a very interesting day because I am doing a haul after really long. First of all, obviously because of COVID I have not been going out much. I go out rarely, but so I stopped shopping for quite some time, and now that I have shopped quite a lot, I thought मैं एक haul video बनाने वाली हूँ because you guys love my haul videos, so I thought I would make one. मेरे last haul मैं यहाँ पे link कर दूँगी. It was from Street Style Store. आप वो भी देख सकते हैं. But आज मैं करने जा रही हूँ Zara haul. Before we begin this haul, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, share and subscribe my previous videos and this video as well. So let's begin. Before anything, it's showreel time. The first dress that I've shopped is this one that I'm wearing. It's a red tube dress with pleats. Let me show you a picture of this. This red dress costed me for 2790, which is like a very average Zara pricing, but I love satin dresses and I've ordered 3 satin dresses this time, and this is one of it, and it's so gorgeous, so beautiful, so feminine. I like feminine dresses. So this one is one of my favorite picks, and that is why it came right at the beginning of the video. So I love the way it is looking on me. It enhances my skin tone further. I look so good in this. Like, I am not self-praising, but I just think that it suits me really well. So this is in the current stock. So if you want to shop it, you can search on the Zara website, or I can link it down for you guys in this video. So this costed me for 2790, and I pretty much love it because Zara is my basic like go-to brand. So I don't feel it's very pricey because maybe I'm too habitual of it. But if you want substitutes, you can always check out brands like Urbanic or Street Style Store because they do similar stuff, not same, but similar. Or you can check out something like me. This dress is a large size. Next, again, I shopped this gorgeous satin red dress, but another tone of red, okay, with button details and a slit at the knee area. So this has a deep V-neck. If you're not comfortable, you can top it up with a spaghetti or something underneath. But this looks really nice. V-neck it enhances your body further. It makes you look really smart and presentable. And this is an evening dress. So this again cost me for 2790, and I feel it's super pretty. So this dress is a large size. So guys, this is how the dress looks. It's a deep V-neck. It has button detailings and a slit on the leg. So this is a very beautiful evening dress, and look at the way it is. If you feel it's too deep, you can go for a spaghetti or a crop top underneath. I wore it for one of my night out with my girls. So this is very beautiful. This again is satin material. I find it's completely, it just looks great on anybody. And Zara has a lot of colors in this same pattern, like the same V-neck with button and slit detail. So you can get a pink, a peach, not pink, sorry, a peach, a black, and I think there was a green also at one point of time. So this is very beautiful, very feminine again, and I think you should definitely see. And I feel this is one of the most sold out Zara dresses ever because they literally have it in most of the shades, like most basic shades. So there's one in peach, then there's one in black. So if you want, you can still get your hands on this. Next is this beautiful green crop top. It's a basic green crop top, and I know it looks like a blue, but originally if you see it without lighting, it's actually a green shade. Oh, I was showing the back. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's a beautiful green color. I will insert a picture here. It looks great and it enhances my color tone, and I specially ordered it. This was for 790. I ordered it to pair it up with this blue. It's like a weird blue, but generally people call it, I think, sky blue, but it's nowhere close to sky, but it's a beautiful blue. These are wide leg trousers, and they have an elastic band, not a very stretchy one, but a very lightly stretchy elastic band. Then it has a tie up, and these are wide legs, so they look something like this. So I wanted to do color blocking from a long time, so I pair it up like this. Like, this is the crop top and I wear it with this. Obviously I can change, but this specifically I ordered to wear with these lowers, and this lower was for 1990, and these are all fresh stock materials. So if you want, you can still get your hands on it. They're absolutely amazing. These crop tops are Zara basics, so they come in varied colors. You can always shop them. They're available at Zara store and online. And these are the new pants that they've launched. Like basically I feel they're more like wide leg trousers that they've launched, but in a very different material. This is not even linen. I don't know what material is this, but I ordered a medium size in this, and I ordered a medium size in this as well. This is a medium to large, like basically. Next I got is this quilted Zara shoulder bag. First of all, I love the chain detail. It's so pretty and in trend. This is a quilted bag, so you can see this is the quilting design, and this costed me for 2590. They have this in varied shades. Okay, they have it in beige, nude, they have it in orange if I'm not wrong. They have thinner versions of these bags in for the similar 2990 kind of amount, or 2590, and they also had this in an electrical kind of blue. And I think they've done like this, the red dress that I was showing, they've done this bag in literally most of the colors, and I think they've done it even in a green. So yeah, this is like one of the most trendiest Zara bags, and I wanted a black shoulder bag since long, so this was my pick. And I think for 2590, this fits pretty well. Like, there is a lot of stuff inside, so it has good capacity also. And I think this works for somebody like me, whose bag is like a little home for everything. So yeah, this is my next purchase. So guys, next I ordered was this beautiful leopard French dress, and you can see this is so gorgeous. I am a big fan of animal prints, and that too in satin. Oh my god, it has a slit at the back, so it comes till somewhere close to your knee area, and the front is like this. So this I have got like for my girls' night, for special occasions and all of that. I am big time into animal prints, and that too in satin. Satin is one of my favorite fabrics. Like, it just glides over my skin and I love it. I feel very comfortable wearing satin dresses. So this is in a large size, and this costed me about 2990. So this is pretty damn beautiful, and I just love it. I cannot wait to style this dress. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Last not the least, I have these heels from Zara. These are so beautiful. These were gifted on my birthday, but again they were from Zara and they were from the latest collection, so I thought I would show it to you guys. Black heels are something that never go out of trend, and if you see, these are patent black. So I wear a 37 size, and it fits me pretty well, which is more like a UK 4, and they look beautiful. Like, you can pair these with anything, and this heel length is around 4 inches, so if you're comfortable wearing a minimum of 4 inches, this is your pick. And it's so goddamn pretty. Look at it, guys. I will insert a picture here. They look amazing. These heels were for 2490 if I'm not wrong, because I tried to check the pricing online, so you can have a look if you like these. Guys, I also got this beautiful Zara shirt from the Disney collection, and this says Dumbo. It's super cute. I love the elephant detailing. It is done with thread work. It costed me for 1790, and it is in the size medium and looks perfect for a casual look. That's it for today's haul video. I hope you like these videos. If you do, please do not forget to hit that like button, comment down below, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you very soon. Much love. Bye.